Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Welcoming you all, both existing and new subscriber. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that we can enjoy knitting together in Knitting Catalog. Here is a lacy pattern needle layout, and I'm very sorry for sharing a wrong link for this particular pattern. There is a crop top I share on my social media platform, and I attach a link to it to for the pattern, but it's a wrong link. So today I'm trying to make it right by sharing the particular pattern right now. So you can see the needle layout that we have here. So this is border needle. I'm not going to work with two needle at the both edge. You can see two needle at the both edge. This is this side, this side, and this is another two needle at this side. So I'm not going to work with them. So the needle is set of three needles each, and the order is going to be in two order. So the first order is this first three needle that is in the front. So I'm going to work with this first three needle in the front before, after finishing the first order, then I'm going to work with the second needle set at the back. So guys, let's see how it's being done. You can see what we have. The first three is what I'm going to work with now. So what I need to do is to go to this first three, then remove this stitch and hang it on this needle, then remove this, the last one, and hang it on this. Then I'm going to do that to all the three sets of the needle. That is the first order. So this to this and this to this, just like that. Then packing all the needle back to B position. Just like this. Then I'm going to knit 2 rows. So you can see what we have, guys. Then I'm going to work on the same needle. Just repeat the same thing. Pack all the needle back to B and knit 2 rows. That's it. Then the third time, so this pattern is set of 6 rows of each order. So pack them back together and knit 2 rows. That's it. So you can see the first order right now, guys. You can see how it is. So right now I'm going to work the second order at this space. So meaning I'm going to work with the 3 needle here. That's the second order. So the pattern is in 2 orders right now. So this is the second order right now, then with 6 rows. So repeating same method, removing the stitch for this one, then here just same thing. That's it. Then pack the needle back together, then here and here you can see the 2 needle, the border needle. So that's it. Then I'm going to knit 2 rows right now. So going back to the same needle and remove the stitches, then pack them back together and knit 2 rows. That's it. You can see what we are having here. Then the last one of this second order. So pack all the needle back together and knit 2 rows, guys. So guys, the next thing to do is to be alternating these 2 order. So the first order is what I'm going to be selecting for, and each order is just 6 rows. You can see how it is right now. So I'm going ahead to select this first order, in which here, you can see what we have here. You can see how beautiful the lace pattern is.